Welcome to Showtravel channel. Today we will take a ride in roll glider or Zipline in LuluMall Trivandrum. This ride will cost you 250 rupees. For this you need to take a Funtura card of a minimum value of rupees 500 excluding GST. So the friendly staff will help you in harnessing. There's only one knob that acts as an accelerator, and that's the only switch that you need to control. So this is a point of view visual from the roll glider ride. It takes you along the third floor or the top floor, and it's a fun ride. You can see everything from above. You are not allowed to wear footwear for obvious reasons. This ride takes about 5 minutes. Kindly subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.